Bitdeer Mining Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cloud mining is passive income, but you won't believe what happens next when fees and market changes appear. Bitdeer is a cloud mining platform that allows users to rent mining power and earn cryptocurrency without owning hardware. The surprising truth is that Bitdeer operates its own mining data centers. Most people get this wrong. They expect guaranteed profits. In reality, earnings depend on crypto prices and mining difficulty. Bitdeer is best for people who want to explore mining without hardware. The surprising truth is that mining is still a business, not magic. Subscribe for more honest crypto reviews that protect your investments.